morning everyone, how are you all today? Welcome to another video. My name is Hussein and I'm back again to bring you all closing of the week update. That is gonna blow your mind. Guys, stock market is looking amazing and great because as we saw that the Georgia outcome of the election, most of the hold is gonna be in Democrats' hand. Secondly, we also saw that Congress is also asking on an immediate removal of Donald Trump from the office. As we all know that over longer term, Joe Biden presidency will be much better than the Donald Trump, and of course it is also will be benefiting I would say that the global economies and also the relations with the other countries. However, I would see that some of the stocks are actually just positioning themselves to soar higher. One of them, as I see, is Apple. All right, you could see that Apple is also on its way. The earnings are going to be released on the 27th of Jan. But overall, I would see that this is positioning itself to trend higher. All right. On the other hand, we saw Dow Jones Industrial Average, which also picked its pace, and as well as if you could see here, it soared exactly like we anticipated. So guys, you look at that. What we forecasted at early of the week, that Dow Jones will be going up, and as you could see here, it has done exactly what we anticipated. That means market, first of all, why actually is it behaving in such a way? Market is actually positioning itself already for the new stimulus check to come by its way, and also new tax structure to put in place in the Americans. All right, so market is already pricing in for that, and I see that this is going to be good. And of course, as we know that we are still in pandemic, but again, the vaccine rollout will also change things globally and worldwide, right? So if you could see here, Dow Jones Industrial Average, first of all, it actually soared right from here, right? And then the second one, if you could see, it has developed another pattern that is standing at a bullish flag, and you're gonna see more further upside happening on this, guys. I believe so. Next week also is gonna be a big boom, and even the whole month. So it's a good time for you to get in before you could actually skip or miss out any opportunity. Stock market is bullish. It closed the week in bullishness, right? And I would see more further upside happening on this in the near term, right? PayPal, as you see, I anticipated on early of the week that this will be going up, and you could see that from this support it rebounded, and now it is gonna go its way. Nvidia, and as well, look at that, from this particular correction it has started to go up all its way, and I will see that the whole month of January it will be going up, right? Now on the other hand, we also had a forecast, guys, on if you could see here, UK 100 also on its way, and we also had a forecast early of the week that was on the index also going on its way. Bank of America also hit our Boeing, not yet, but it will lift up as well. We also had a forecast, guys, on, if you could see here, from the gold made a correction, and I would see that it's still going to be on its way to have more correction further to the downside. Then we also had we had tons of announcements this week which came, I would say, about 90% according to a forecast. Tesla, look at Tesla, big boom, right? $815.80 on its way towards $900, which I believe will be achieved next week or the following week. All right, Tesla is and the Tesla owner is one of the most richest men already after Jeff Bezos, right? So a lot of new production, new developments that we came across, But guys, let me tell you, market is looking good. Pfizer, you can actually buy it right now. It is still at the low, so this would be another shoot up to the upside. Walmart also, according to our analysis, with a forecast, it is on its way. That's our TP1, that's our TP2. We're gonna see more upside on this over time. Well, my views are the market is looking good. A removal of President Donald Trump, coming in of Joe Biden, vaccine rollout, right? It is all bullish sign for the stock market. Even though the Georgia election was going on, market didn't really bother much into that, because they are more concerned about the stimulus paycheck, because once all those unemployed Americans start receiving $2,000, then they're going to spend more money, and then once they spend the money, it will be contributed into the economy, right? Last but not the least, guys, what we saw was Bitcoin hit up to $40,000. right? You see here the $40,000 level, but now it is making a correction, and I would see that this correction happened early of the week. It actually came back, tested at the support of 27,000, bang, all the way up to 40,000. What I see is that on crypto, that is going to make another correction, but over time it's going to go up, right? Crazily doubled up where it was at once before, right? So Dow 30 on its way. So guys, it was a great profitable week for the overall stock market, and of course in the currencies too. We'll be having an upcoming forecast next week as usual as planned. We'll also be doing our London session forecast, right, and to provide you more tips, more forecasts, more price action analysis that will be helping you to become profitable trader, right? So as for now, just to let you know before we go, we also have a non-farm payrolls today. Keep a close eye to the non-farm payrolls, the average hourly earnings and unemployment rate. We also have got unemployment rate and employment change from Canada. They will be impacting on Canadian dollar, and also the non-farm payrolls will be impacting on all the major currencies. We'll also watch closely how the job industry is going to be, how many jobs were created in the month of December. And also we saw that initial jobless claim fell compared to the last close week. So I would see some good signs are coming in. However, we will monitor closely. We'll keep you updated. We'll keep you notified. So then you all take care and have a great weekend. We will see you guys next week again. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for listening. And I wish you all a great profitable week, great profitable January. Thank you. Bye-bye.